Welcome to the how-to video on adding and deleting a student in TenMarks. There will probably come a time in your school year where you will have to make an adjustment to your student roster to reflect either a student joining or leaving your classroom. TenMarks makes this process easy, but before we begin, if you're a premium customer that's in a district who's chosen to synchronize class roster information automatically via Clever, the addition and deletion of students will be done for you and this feature will be disabled. For everyone else, start by logging into your TenMarks account and select TenMarks Math or Create Assignments. Select the class you want to add or delete the student to or from the drop-down menu in the upper right-hand corner. Then click Class Roster. To add a student, click the plus icon, which will open up a new window. In TenMarks, you have two options when adding a student. You can add a brand new student to your class, or you can add a student who's already using TenMarks. If you want to add a new student to your class, type the student's name into the box. You can add multiple students at one time by adding semicolons in between student names. When adding these students to your class, you also have the option to add these new students to any open assessments your class may be working on by clicking on the box, Add New Students to Any Open Assessments. To complete adding students to the roster, make sure you click Add New Students. Now you will see the students appear in your roster, as well as their new usernames and passwords. To add an existing student who's already using TenMarks either in another classroom or over the summer, click on the plus icon again, but this time click Add an Existing Student instead. Type in the student's existing username and password. You can also choose to add them to any open assessments. Finish by clicking Add Existing Student. Now you will see the student appear on your roster as well. To delete a student from your class, click the pencil icon. This will open up a new set of icons. If you want to delete the student, click the trash can icon. You will be prompted to confirm that you do want to delete the student. And if this is correct, click Delete Student. But please note, when you do this, the student and their data will be deleted from TenMarks permanently.